to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do when you don't know what else to do in Heartopia and your level is really high. Hobbies have been upgraded and you're just waiting every single week to level up your DG member level to get the premium hobby upgrade ticket. So here's what I usually do. I finish all of my daily quests and stuff like that, and I don't know what else to do. I already have a lot of the furnitures and outfits I want. I don't need grind for money because I think I have enough. I don't cook that much anymore. So basically, you can go to animals here and you can level up your bond. I don't do this every single day, but if you don't know what else to do, you can do this and kind of go around feeding the animals so that you can get the rewards from that. And then what else you can do is to where is it? Oh, go to collection and then go to these, and you can do the mastery so you can get the trophies for each one. So let's see which one. Okay, let's go to this one. So I will need to catch until 720 of these Sulkowski's Morpho to raise the verification phase, reach mastery verification to obtain certified mark, and you can display it in your house, and that's going to help you have a higher score of the house evaluation. Haven't done my house evaluation in so long. You can get rewards from that as well, from the home evaluation. So two things: do your dailies. Okay, that's three. Dailies and weeklies, and then you're going to level up your animal bond. And then the last one is to level up your mastery. It is a little bit tough. Let me see what I have for the damsel flag. How many do I need to catch? Oh my gosh, I've only caught 200 and I need to catch 1,200. Um, it's less for rarer insects, as you can see. Oh, maybe not. 1,200. Why is Slokowski only 720? Okay, maybe this one's more doable. You can just check each one and see how how much you need to catch to get the mastery. So, oh, for this one you only need 300, and then it's the same for fishes as well. Here, okay, 1,200. I think the rarer it is, the less you need to catch it. What about the koi? Okay, 600. That's a lot. But I guess it's doable. It's also the same for gardening. So wheat, oh, 4,200. And you can just check it yourself. Somebody asked in the previous videos, how much is it for, I think, the milk tea or the milkshake? Let's see the tea first. So you'll need to cook it 360 times. For the milkshake, you'll need 360 as well to obtain the mastery. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.